The Karnataka Cabinet has approved a project worth 413.71 crore rupees to upgrade hospitals operated by the Bengaluru Civic Agency under the Brand Bengaluru scheme. The initiative aims to replace dilapidated hospital buildings with new infrastructure. As a part of the plan, 13 hospitals managed by the Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike BBMP will be upgraded to 30-bed facilities, while 5 hospitals will be expanded to 50-bed capacity. Additionally, 22 dental hospitals and 7 physiotherapy centers will be established. The decision was announced after a cabinet meeting with Law and Parliamentary Affairs Minister H.K. Patil, providing details. He stated that all government hospitals under BBMP management would benefit from the upgrades aligning with the objectives of the Brand Bengaluru initiative.